got this crate here for Loot Gaming. Pretty excited. Just bought it, so I thought it might be interesting to open up, see what's inside. If you wanted, Loot Crate, you could sponsor us, if you wanted. Anyway, so I guess let's open it up, see what we got inside here. Maybe we can open it. There we go. Oh, it's a companion cube. Alright, what's this shirt? Got a nice shirt here. Looks like it's gonna be Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. It's a nice house. Pretty cool shirt. Good material. Feels like it's a nice comfy shirt. It's Psychonauts. Looks like some sort of glasses. Oh, that's cool. It's like goggles from Psychonauts. So, obviously. And now everything's red. Got ourselves a Mega Man item. Excuse me. There we go. Oh, it looks like it's a helmet. Mega Man helmet. That's cool. Never really played a lot of Mega Man, but I like Smash Bros and stuff, so I'm really cool. Alright, what's this? Oh, here's our portal device. This is cool looking. What is it? Like some kind of tie. It's a tie. Oh yeah, I know what I'm wearing to my brother's wedding. A bow tie, because I'm in his wedding party. But I would wear this if I weren't already wearing a bow tie to my brother's wedding. So that's cool. It's got little companion cubes on it. And we got our pin. Ooh, it's got a brain, mad science, January 2017. And this little booklet here. Oh, it's a poster. Mad science. How do we unfold this? Let's make our companion cube. Whoa, that looks awesome. I feel like these. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we are. That worked. So just invert all the folds here. There we go. Cube of the companion. Well, this has been an unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. I really enjoyed. Check us out on YouTube. Watch more videos somewhere. Click the companion cube to watch more videos. Or go to our Twitch channel and watch us stream sometimes. Broship Incorporated. Broship_Incorporated. Make sure you remember the underscore. Bye.